What's up, y'all? I spent about $50 on everything for episode 200. The wig was the most expensive thing I bought. It was 25 bucks. As you can see, the price of the dress was $8. I got all of this stuff from my local thrift stores. Check those videos out. My accessories are going to be free because I have a lot of jewelry and stuff like that, so I have accessories. What I don't make, I'm gonna pull from my closet. So I'm gonna be making some sort of a necklace or something, and I'm gonna be using these vines. Not sure how I'm gonna incorporate it. I'm gonna be using a couple of things from my garden actually to make these pieces. I know I want to use some of my dinosaur kale. This is such a pretty plant. I want to really highlight this plant. Somehow I may do some sort of a headpiece or something like that to make my outfit pop. And the dress is green, so everything's really working out, especially with the nature colors and things of that nature. I have vines that have dried out, so I could do something with that as well. They wore such elaborate things on all the episodes, and it was just so pretty to me. Got some flowers that done fell off of my wreath. Probably gonna use a couple of those as well. Definitely gonna make use of everything that I've been blessed to have. I have this blackberry plant right here that has some really beautiful red leaves. Who knows what I could do with that? You guys, I'm just going to be working on episode 200. Got some dried out leaves too, so these are dried out tomatillos. And I'm so glad that I'm doing episode 200 like this, because I can really make use of things that are gonna be cleaned up and cleaned out. Y'all be looking forward to we'll be on the lookout for the cleanup video. I'm gonna do a big cleanup video. I gotta get my garden cleaned up, but I know I'm gonna be pulling these up anyway and getting them out of my way for the next set of crops. So to use my Leo peas, that's what I call them. Check those videos out, y'all. I have videos about this particular plant. These are my Leo peas, y'all. I planted them on my cousin's birthday, and even though they didn't really produce much, they're still gonna be used. Look, they got a bunch of little vines on them and stuff, and I think that'll be cute with my dress, y'all. Ain't no telling what I'm gonna come up with. I don't know. I'm gonna keep y'all posted on that though. Episode 200, be on the lookout once again. Let's zoom into this plant. It has like little white specks on it and stuff, and that's gonna be cute with my dress as well. Truly a natural setting for this video, and I'm just so happy and so grateful that I'm able to be creative for this video. and really show off some of my plants. Take in those sounds, y'all. Do y'all hear the birds? Don't mind my phone, y'all. That was a notification. Y'all know that sound. Y'all, I don't know what to do with the okra. I wonder, could I do something? Yup. I could do something with this too. I could make some sort of a... Well, you know what? I ain't gonna give it all away now. Just make sure you watch episode 200. You guys, it's gonna be a big one. It's gonna be a big one. Garden talk is coming up. Got a lot going on, y'all, and it's gonna be so much fun. I even have a couple of small turnip greens out here, and the leaves are just kind of taking over. So may take a couple of these plants and incorporate them in whatever I decide to do. I know these vines are gonna be, they're gonna come in handy. These sweet potato vines, they were so pretty over the summer, y'all, and in the fall. This is what happens in the wintertime, y'all. That's why they call it the dead of winter. Got some of these things out here. I forgot what you call this, but yep. I mean, I can't believe these things have stayed alive through all the hard frost and stuff we done had, y'all. I'm surprised they still this green. I'm shocked. I don't know. I might use the green leaves and some of the dead leaves too. Just whatever. I mean, doesn't this vine right here just remind you of the show? Look at the little curly parts. One of them still, oh, actually this one's still climbing up. It's still alive. It's very much alive. This plant is, I mean, it's not like at its best because it's so cold outside, but this plant is definitely alive. This is a, I want to say this was a, what plant? What was this? Some kind of pea. Look, just go check out my Leo peas video. I can't remember what kind of peas, but I definitely have that documented. So I'm gonna go back and see what kind of peas these was and stuff like that, y'all. Stay tuned. I'm gonna try to be dramatic with my makeup. I'm gonna be really looking at some of those episodes again so I can see their makeup, and I'm gonna do that as well. This art is gonna be lovely, 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 lovely. No matter how it turns out, even if I make it early and it starts to die, because once I pull it out the ground, these leaves are gonna start turning, gonna start dying. But whatever the process is, it's still gonna be a truly homemade piece, and whatever course nature will take it through, that's fine. But I have to have it done, you know, like at least beforehand, so that I could just put it on and keep it moving and go ahead and do the video and put on a show. Y'all gonna love it. It's truly gonna be a production, a performance. The Big 200 Garden Chronicles, y'all. Garden talk. Not sure which one I'm going to put it under yet, but we shall see. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching.